Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be showing you which equipment and tools that I use in my kitchen. So let's get started. These are the main electrical equipment that I use in my kitchen. A Tefal pressure cooker, a KitchenAid 11-cup food processor, KitchenAid mixer, a small food processor which I use to crush walnuts and pistachios, a handheld mixer, and a handheld blender. These are the cookware that I use in my kitchen. I have a Lagostina cookware which is non-stick, comes in a pot, saucepans and fry pans. I use an oil strainer. I have two different kinds of sifters and strainers and a rice colander. And I use a lettuce salad strainer which you just spin and dries off excess water. These are some of my gadgets and tools that I use in the kitchen. I have a crinkle cutter which I use to cut the kaleche, vegetable corers, ice cream scoops when I'm doing the biscuits and cookies, Kaisera ceramic knives, a vegetable shovel or a dough cutter I use for two purposes, metal tongs, pastry brushes, and a juicer which has a lid if I don't need to use the dressing straight away. These are the baking equipment that I use in my kitchen. I have 3 different sizes of sheet pans, cooling racks, cake stands, trifle dish, bundt pan, cake tins, loaf pan, muffin tin, piping bag which I use for the shortbread cookies, and the star tip. And these are some of my other equipment that I use in my kitchen. I use these thin barbecue skewers which I use for my chicken skewers, and these thick ones with the thick blades for the kebabs. And I have a pizza stone when I make my bread, za'atar and lahmat ajin. You can find most of these products on Amazon. I have the links provided in the description box below if you wanted to purchase any of these. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for all my recipes. Happy cooking everyone!